Hi there, Hair Plant Girl here. I was just wandering out in the garden as I do every morning when I get a chance. It's actually almost noon now, but that's when I got a chance. So I just like to wander around, see what's available to harvest, if there's anything that needs taken care of, any insects, slugs that need pulling off, whatever. So just like to have a look around, as I'm sure the rest of you do as you wander through your gardens too. You just want to see what's happening. So thought I'd bring you along today. I've already actually harvested some carrots. I'll throw a little clip of that in there. These are the little finger carrots. Just pulled a few out. These are my favorite carrots. They're looking pretty good. We've had a few already. Let's see what else I can find in here. These ones over here are starting to shade the peppers, so I want to get them out if they're ready. That's a marigold. It's close, but it could go a few more days. This one feels ready. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. That's the little fingers. Now these peppers can get a bit more sun in here. There's a few little fingers left, but not quite ready. Another couple days. Not sure what this is. It shouldn't have been back there. Looks like a little finger. That'll probably get us through today. And my strawberries need attending. I can pick them pretty much every day now. I didn't yesterday. Oh, there is a huge rain cloud coming in here. Hopefully we get this done. We've had about 2 inches, I think, or close to it, of rain this week. About 50 millimeters. So I expect that there's going to be a lot of things coming up, as it's supposed to get really hot this week. I expect we'll have a lot of things to harvest. So I think this will be a busy week. But I'm going to start here with the strawberries anyways and just bring you along and see what we find. Last night I pulled a beautiful cabbage out. I wish I'd taken a picture of it for you, but I forgot. I pulled it out from my mom, sent it home. They popped by for a little fire last night. But let's see what's in the strawberry bed, and we'll see what's in the rest of the garden. I just keep plastic netting on it. Try and keep the birds out as much as possible. I couldn't tell you what variety of strawberries these are if my life depended on it. But I don't replant my strawberries every year. I don't worry too much about runners. They just do their thing in here. When I find some that are older and are small like this, or these that aren't looking very nice, even though I'll probably just leave them out for the birds, things like that. But I pull them off the plant so that the plant doesn't think its job is done and stop producing strawberries. You pull these off and then they keep going for a while. It's my theory anyway. My strawberry patch has a 1/4 inch soaker hose that runs through it. I can't remember offhand as I've adjusted and played with the watering schedule, but it comes on I think every 3 days for I think half an hour right now at this point, but Really, I'll probably be turning it off because we've had a lot of rain in the last few days here. Well, there's the strawberry haul for today. Not bad. Quite a few left there that'll be ripe tomorrow or the next day yet. Let's see what else we can find. Actually, first, before I forget, I'm going to run a few of these kind of uglier looking ones over to for the birds. Birds, flies, whoever wants them. Nothing to harvest over here yet. Things are coming along nice though. I moved the potatoes out away from the fence so they can get a bit more light and they're more prominent, so don't forget to water them. And I actually have nasturtium flowers. So this is my pepper and onions. A few peppers I could take there, but I'm going to leave them for now and see how much riper they can get. I'm going to take a couple of onions though. Obviously these could get bigger, but nothing wrong with taking them now. There's the onions. I have lots of lettuce in the house. I think there's a California Wonder Pepper on the other side that I'm going to take there. Yeah, I've been kind of leaving this guy, but I think I'm going to take it. Oh, it'll be nice, just fresh. The carrots I picked earlier, we're going to have some chicken quarters on the smoker tonight. That'll be nice with that. The King of the North aren't doing much yet. Had an eggplant, little baby eggplant the other day. Patio babies are producing a little bit. The other ones haven't started yet. Beans are getting close. They're just starting to get some little babies on them. Now, I think some celery would be nice with those carrots and peppers. Just for fresh eating. Celery's good grilled too, if you haven't tried that. A little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. Put on the grill for a few minutes. Delicious. Tonight I think I'll just eat it fresh. It's probably enough. I just picked pulled a bunch of radishes up the other day and I actually have them fermenting. See how that works? I've never done it before. I have some spinach here. I think I'm going to have some spinach. I have some lettuce in the house, but I think some spinach would be nice. added in. To a nice salad. I might even have some of those strawberries and some spinach for a salad tonight. This, I'll have to double check the variety. I'll put it on the screen for you. This is a different spinach. I couldn't get spinach going this year, and we had the hot, cold spring, and it just kept bolting on me. And this is supposed to be more bolt resistant, and even with the hot weather, it's just starting to think about getting a few flowers here, but pull those out and we'll probably be good for a while yet. It's delicious. Hopefully I can get enough to get some frozen. Not today though. That's a nice handful. I'll throw that in with a little bit of lettuce and some strawberries. Maybe some pumpkin seeds. Have a nice salad, a little vinaigrette. This side here is my second sowing of peas. And you can see they're just starting to pod up. Again, I can't remember the exact variety. I think I want to say Green Arrow, but I'm not sure. I'll look at the package, put it up on the screen. They're just starting to pod up. So I'm going to go around the other side. I've been just picking a few off. Took a while for the peas to get going. Again, I think it was that cold, hot spring we had. So go around the other side. I should be able to get a few to eat fresh. Yeah, there's a few here. It'd be hard to keep these all the way to getting in the house. Anyone else love that squeaky sound of the peas? So not a ton of peas, but peas are one of those things that once they start producing, you start picking them, and then all of a sudden they'll just take off. But if you leave them, they think their job's done, and they don't continue to make more for you. So you have to kind of start picking them right away. That's okay, it gives you lots of snacks. There's a little bit of leaf miner in the beets, I think. A couple nice little beets here. They need to be thinned out a bit so they can produce better. So there, that's a nice bunch of beets. I really like beets. The kids will eat a few. I think what I'll do with these is I'll take the tops off and add them to my salad, and I'll cut the bottoms probably just like that, maybe half them, some of the bigger ones. Wash them up, of course, wrap them in foil with a little bit of butter and put them on the grill with the chicken just to cook like that. A little salt and pepper. Be delicious. I have to get into my cabbage here. So here's the cabbage bed. I'm going to try and get, where are we here? This guy here is feeling pretty nice. So is this one, but I think this is the one I'm going to take. I took one over to the side here the other day, over this way, and I took one for Mom over that way last night. I think those were both gunman. Oh, the label says Taiwan, so they must have been Taiwan. I just have my little trimmers here, so I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get into this, but let's see. Oh, this one's a gunman. Yeah, I need bigger clippers. And the rain is starting to come again. Again with the rain. So let's see if I can just cut out of here. There, that's a pretty nice one. All right, rain's coming down. I gotta get this closed up. Need the slug out here. Get out, slug. Oh, he's persistent. Okay, so that was just a quick look at what I've been kind of pulling out of the garden. Along with slugs. Need a good rinse when it goes in. And a little bit of an idea of what I'm doing with it. This cabbage and the onions, actually, my plan is to make some cabbage rolls or a cabbage roll casserole. We'll see how ambitious I am this week. But that's what I'm pulling out of the garden these days. There is a really big storm cloud here, and it's already gave me a little bit of moisture while I'm out here, so I think I'm going to just get cleaned up now and get this inside. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye. There was a stowaway in my cabbage. He's going outside.